IC. And today I'm going to make a recipe that I found at allrecipes.com, and it's called Best Chocolate Chips Ever. It appears that over 80,000 people have made these cookies. So today I'm going to find out whether or not they are the best ever chocolate chip cookies. And I have a couple of clients who I know will be very happy to experiment on them. And I can't wait to see their faces. So let's get to it. I'm going to start by presetting my oven to 350 degrees. I have my cookie sheet prepared with a piece of parchment paper, and I'm going to start by creaming the white sugar, the brown sugar, and the butter together in my KitchenAid. So the butter has been softened to room temperature. I have my white sugar and my brown sugar. And I got the mix started, so I'm just going to boost up the speed. I'm going to beat the butter, the white sugar, and the brown sugar until it's smooth. I'm going to scrape down my bowl. Make sure that nothing is stuck to the bottom that hasn't been mixed in. Now I'm going to add in my eggs one at a time. I wait until that egg is completely blended. Then I'll add in the next one. The next thing I'm going to do is add in the vanilla. Now this recipe calls for using baking soda and hot water. I'm going to mix that together. Let it dissolve. And the next thing I'm going to do is add in the salt requirement. And I'll give that a little mix. And then I'm going to pour that into my cookie batter. And give that another stir. Once again, I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowl. I'm going to add in the flour. And I'm going to add in the chocolate chips. I'm going to give that another slow stir. I'm actually going to finish this stir by hand. Scraping down the side of the bowl, making certain that all of the ingredients get mixed in. Now this recipe says that it makes 24 cookies. This looks like a lot more than 24 cookies to me, but we're going to find out. So I have my very large cookie sheet. I'm going to cover it with parchment paper. And I'm going to start spooning it out. So because these cookies will spread, I'm going to make sure they're about 2 inches apart. Right now I have 2 trays of cookies, and I'm going to put them in the oven for between 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll be back to you. The cookies are finished. They're much bigger than I anticipated. I have 2 more trays, so they make well more than 24 cookies. So I'm going to let these cool, and it makes me wish that I still ate sugar so that I could enjoy one. But I'll stick to the plan. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please watch my other tutorials. See you soon.